Hello, what are stem cells and what is stem cell therapy? Basically, stem cells are cells which develop into other type of cells. These stem cells are basically present everywhere in the body and mainly they are present in the fat and in the bone marrow. These stem cells have an ability to form a specific material like cartilage or bone, and they can be used for regeneration of cartilage or bone. The stem cells are generally harvested, that is taken from abdominal fat by using liposuction, or they can be taken from bone marrow, from the iliac crest or any of the long bones. Stem cell therapy has recently gained importance because the regenerative capabilities of stem cells can be used for the treatment of osteoarthritis of knee, hip, shoulder or any other joint, and for the treatment of avascular necrosis of either femur or any other bone such as small bones anywhere in the body. So stem cell therapy has recently gained significant importance, and we will go into details in next videos.